Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a quick guide on how to program your kentec Synchro Series 6000 or AS. Really depends. The programming software is exactly the same for both of them because they're both made by Kentec and they both use Loop Explorer. So the first thing you need to do is connect your PC program cable like that, and enable write enable if it's fitted, obviously. And then you'll get your cable. Most people don't have serial ports on their laptop, so you'll need one of these serial to USB adapters. You plug it into your computer, and then you will have to, when you're on your computer, you go on Loop Explorer. You open up Loop Explorer if you'll want to open. It'll open. Then you will press connect to syncro panel. OK. Save. Yes. You'll select standard network panel. It will find your panel. You tick both boxes if it's a networked system, and then because it's set direction to computer, you'll hit synchronize, and it will download your config of your panel onto your PC. And once this is downloaded, it will pop up. I'm going to pause the video. Right, so it has finished synchronizing. So then once it's finished synchronizing, you press close. It will open up the main program config part of Loop Explorer, which is where you can config all your stuff. So I have 4 loops on my Apollo kentec. So for example, if I wanted another integrated sounder base with a optical on it, I could move my cursor to XP95, drag and drop an integrated, and then also drag and drop a photoelectric monitor or ionization if I had one, but I don't have one. So if I wanted to do something on loop 2, I could, you can change the address by right clicking and pressing by double clicking and going on the sub address settings, and you can change stuff like this. You can make it work. You can change the address, and you can set delays. So you can also, if you have discovery sounders on your Apollo systems, you can press edit settings on the panel and it will bring up this. But however, I don't have any discovery sounders on my system, so usually it would have a box saying loop sounder options, which is where you can change all your tones. I will demonstrate this with my Hochiki one because it's basically the same process. So you go to your panel that you need to change the tone on the sounders, you right click, you press edit settings, and you go on loop sounder options, and here you can change all the different tones for the sounders and whatever you have on the system. You can change the panel text, the node name, the the sound volume. You can change a lot with this. So you can also set it if it has a graphics system, which I don't, so that's that. You can set it to 2-stage or zonal. Honestly, on Hochiki you can also, edit and add stuff like that, except you don't have to navigate around this. This is, I find, pretty interesting. Really was annoying once because I could not figure out how to do this once. It was really annoying because I was trying to do some stuff with my YBOBS, but now I've found you need to press full expand if you want to edit settings of a bass sounder that has a detector already on it. So you have to go on there, and that's 01 will be the beacon address, and just 00 will be the sounder address. So obviously you can edit these settings as you normally would, and once you've done everything, once you've edited all your settings, you know, done everything you need to do, you can press connect and do stuff. But also you can add up to 96 nodes on a system. So you can add syncro AS, more syncro Apollo series. You can have repeaters, you know, anything you need on an actual system. Once you're all done, you press connect. It will bring up this. You'll tick that box there. Make sure the direction is set to the panel, and you'll hit synchronize, and that will load your config onto the panel. Something else I would like to see is the virtual panel function, where if you select the node, you can start up a virtual panel. So right now I could press function 1, which should put it into fire, and the sounders will go off. So we'll do that now. Actually, no, because I need to enter. Oh, you need to enter in your code as well if you're on a computer. And if I press function 1, it will. As you can see, that put it into fire. That set the alarms off, you know. And you can do it for either node. And you can also check analog values of the panels, so you can select node 1. Actually, node 1 has more devices. I'll go on loop 2 because that has. Ooh. Actually, loop 3 has more detectors. So and you press fetch, it will fetch your detectors and the analog values for them. So once you're all done, you press close. You can save the configs as well. Yeah, you save the config, and then obviously once you're all done, you will have to take the programming lead out your panel. Oh gosh, I don't like doing this. You'll take the programming lead out the panel, and you will close it, obviously, and reset. Oh, and you'll reset. And with that, thanks for watching this short tutorial on how to program kentec synchros, and I hope you'll find this video useful. I'll see you guys in the next video.